Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you? Today we will learn bird's name. So let's start now. Parrot. 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 Pigeon. 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 Sparrow. 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 Eagle. 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 Owl. All. All. Peacock. 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 Crow. 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 Ostrich. 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 Vulture. 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 Dove. 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 Robin. 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 Woodpecker. 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 Myna. 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 Koel. 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 Kingfisher. 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 Hummingbird. 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 Bulbul. Bulbul. Hawk. Hawk. Penguin. Penguin. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. So if you learned this video, please like, share and subscribe.